Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A90. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's take a look at the Google Pay app. And now, tap the blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty card, gift card and transit. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Let's go back and now let's select gift card. Similarly to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. Last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.